What's happening? Good afternoon. Top of the morning to ya. What's happening? Good afternoon. Happy Monday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Brady, Chris, Riders, Greats. I don't know who that number is. Sorry, I gotta decline it. I'm streaming right now. St. Patrick's Day, the day of green. Welcome in, NQ early, 2 for 2, $460. NQ later, 2 for 2, $1,000. It's going to be a rough week, boys and girls, moms and dads, brothers and sisters. It's going to be a rough week. Be careful with your trading. It gets real tricky on rollover and FOMC this week, so be careful. Danny, John, Raphael, ECM, welcome in. Good afternoon. Keep tapping that screen. Let's get some people in here. Let's get some people in here. Got my green shirt on, St. Patrick's Day shirt, you know. Listening to some good old Celtic classic rock and roll, you know. Shruti Lamba Bieber. Keep tapping that screen. Let's get some people in here. Let's rock and roll. Let's going on. Bitcoin go up now. Giggles, you're in the wrong markets. I hope you made a lot of money on it, but you should have got in when it was $1,000 a Bitcoin. The futures market's where it's at, baby. NQ mainly. Make that 200 to 600 a day and call it a day, and you'd never have to work another day in your life. Especially once you get a bunch of prop firm accounts on top of your cash account. Mike, welcome in. Race Juan Carlos Vasquez, welcome in. Ala Akamis. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Welcome in. Good afternoon. It is the Swag Show. What do you know? I'm your host. My name is Kyle. I'm here to show you BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. We also offer manual alerts. We're up over 2,000 points on the year. Beam, good afternoon. How you doing? For anybody is paying attention in the manual alerts section, I did give out 80 points worth of profit so far on the day. Well, the first one took a loss. The second one only ran for 5 points, and the third one ran for 80 points. So, Victoria Ann, hello. Excited to see this thing in action? Yeah. I don't show you too many of the different varieties. I only show you like 3 or 4 of the algorithms. I have to wait for them to be in a trade, though. But right now, nothing's in a trade to show you. So, but the premium alerts are on fire. Music is a little loud. Okay, let me turn that down. There we go. How's that? Is that better? 85 points worth of premium alerts so far today. Thank you for letting me know that, Victoria. I appreciate it. I can never tell what you guys hear, but is the 80% in effect right now? No, it's 71%. No, thank you for telling me. I appreciate that. B. Zambrota. Apex has a 71% sale going on right now. I forgot to change my my header up on the page. I got to do that. Thank you for reminding me about that. It's Monday. I'm not really prepared, you know. We had a St. Patrick's Day parade here on Saturday that we went to. It lasted for 2 hours. My kids were really good through it, though. They did well. Nobody pooped their pants or anything, so that's a good thing. Yeah, no problem. You can still use the code SWAGSHOW to get the best deal they have at all times. Anytime they have a discount. I've seen Jen a few times and watched Lauren today, but I've never seen the bot take anything yet. Hold on a minute, Victoria. Something will jump into a trade here soon. I could show you silver range, I guess. If you want to see a silver trade. Question: if put stop loss 100 tick and cut my profit 60 tick, Apex will make an issue? No. It has to be worse than a 5-to-1 risk to reward. So you would have to have a 300 stop loss and a 60 profit for them to complain about it. So 100 stop loss, 60 profit's fine. Yeah, it has to be worse than a 5-to-1. Victoria, you want to see silver? I can show you silver. Let's see, where is it at? Silver! Hi-ho, silver! Don't be fooled by the chart. It does say NQ, but this is a silver trade. $200, right? Meow. $200, right? Meow. Let's see. Can I see? For some reason, the stop loss and take profit aren't showing up on this, but that's okay. You get the gist. You get the gist. It will take profit and stop loss all on its own. If Santa or somebody jumps into a trade, I'll show you that. If you want access to the box seats, right now it's $250 for the first 2 weeks. If you email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Otherwise, I don't know what she's charging, honestly. Box seats is $250 for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that. If you want all the algorithms, it's $1,500 a month. If you want to just manually trade, it's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. But like I said, today I gave an 80-point play out already. So 80 times 20 is what, $1,600 you could have made in one trade on one day on one mini. So the premium alerts are where they're at. What is box seats? It's just one of the algorithms. It comes with like 10 different strategies. For example, it would be NQ early, ES new, gold, NQ later, NQ new, oil, silver. Those are the strategies that come with box seats. That's just the name of one of the algorithms. So far today, if you would have ran that, you would be up around. It depends on if you ran new. I think I turned it off in time. Yeah, it looks like I turned it off in time. Might be a no Monday play, but you'd be up like $1,400. So. Uh, $250 for the first 2 weeks. Yeah, you get 2 weeks for $250, and then it's $1,000 a month after that. But like I said, you could have made $1,000 today alone. So it's really, really good. All the algorithms are really good. Even if you go small and slow and steady on a micro plan, they're really good. So this one you're watching right now is included with the box seats. It is called Silver Day Range or Silver Day box seats. And it's green 350 right now on this one trade. So if you wanted to stop and just take profit for the day, like if you had a cash account and say you only wanted to make 300 a day, you could definitely move your stop loss up or just close this trade out. So yeah, pretty much. NQ new is really good. It makes like 350 a day. Today it took a loss though. It was the first time it's taken a loss in over 2 months, I think. I've been trading for 5 years now and have funded accounts. There you go. Work 16-hour days, 6 days a week in the summer, so planning to try this. Man, Victoria, you work too much. Yeah, that you work too much. I hope you're like a doctor or something and you're making buku bucks. But that's 16-hour days. Phew. I don't know what you do, but I don't want to do it. I don't envy you, no matter what you're doing. But I thank you if you're a nurse or a doctor or something that saves lives. Good Lord. 16 hours a day you work? That's crazy. I try and sleep at least 10 hours a day. Oh, okay. Only half the year winter is my off season. I work road construction, drive semi. I got you. All right. Well, thank you for that too. All the roads do need repaired, especially here in Illinois with all the snow and the salt. They tear up the roads. Man, they're out there all the time repairing roads in Illinois. It's crazy. Non-stop work here. But yeah, how many funded accounts do you have? Even if you have 5 funded accounts and made $100 a day per account, that's still $500 a day you're making. Just takes you a little bit longer before you can withdraw, but that's all right. Wintertime, I focus on trading, but would be nice to have accounts make more. Yeah, for sure, 100%. Can you please explain the 1,500 a month ones? Once you set it up, will it buy and sell? Yeah, so say the premium algorithms that cost 1,500 a month, there's like 7 or 8 of those. Yeah, they trade for you. So all you have to do is pick which ones you want to run that day, on what accounts you want to run them on, and just turn them on at the night before and let them trade for you, and that's all there is to it. It's that simple. Once you get everything set up and going. We have Big Bang, we have Big Daddy, we have Line, we have PBV, we have Oracle, we have Waves. Those are all the names of the premium algorithms. And then there's different strategies inside those, so. You got 5, okay. Someone from the team will help set up. Yeah, if you can't get it through the instructional videos and everything that we provide for you, somebody will help you set it up. Yeah. Bobby's Banger, happy St. Patrick's Day. You as well, brother. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you so much. Johan K, what's up, man? Over on YouTube, hello. Yeah, somebody on TikTok was asking if we helped set it up, and yes, we do. It comes with instructional videos, step by step, on how to get everything going. But if you have trouble, you can reach out to Irma. She's one of the admins that gets paid to help people get set up and going. And yeah, keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Let's get some people in here. Let's get it up over 1,000 likes here. I like to see at least 20 people in the chat watching. Maybe we'll change somebody's life. Maybe somebody's tired of working a 9 to 5 and ready to retire and needs to make a couple extra $100 a day. This is a great way to do it, guys. I'm telling you. All right, I'm going to show you NQ day waves. Silver just is slow. It takes a while. It doesn't really move that fast, so it's kind of boring. Let me switch it over here and get NQ day waves up on here. There we go. Where's premium? Where is it? NQ day waves. Here it is. So NQ day waves here is in a long. You can see the stop loss. The cool thing with this one, it does not have a take profit. So this thing can run for $3, $4, $5, $6,000 in one trade if it wants to. I've seen it go at least 4,000 on one trade before. So that's the cool thing with the premium algorithms. They can go. My dreams to pass 20 accounts and copy Apex. Yeah, 100%. I had 15 at one point. Definitely go into take a peek at the box seats. Yeah, for sure. This one is called NQ Day Waves. It is one of the premium algorithms, but it usually does really good. It's up over $8,600 for the year. So that's a little over 3 months. It's made $8,000. So I'd say that's pretty good. I'd say that's pretty good. How many points is that SL? Let's see. I'd have to change it back real quick here. Range silver points. It's 20 points. Right now it's at 20 points, I think. Yeah. $25. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not good at that. I just look at the money. I usually just have my stuff set for currency so I can see exactly how much money I'm up, and then I'll move my stop loss accordingly. So $9.23 to $8.98, right? What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. Oh, you're talking about NQ day waves? Yeah, it's still on. Yeah. It's on the June contract. Some people didn't roll over to the new month. I didn't do it on some of my manual stuff, but on the algorithm charts, it did roll over. Yeah, it got in at 9.23, and the stop loss is 8.98. Correct. Yeah. Yeah, and that's another good thing too. A lot of people do that, Victoria. Um, I think it helps mentally when I manually trade to leave it in points and not look at the dollar amount and just look at the points. And then I know if I get up like 10 points, I can start moving my stop loss up. You know what I mean? But yeah, you're right. It does have a mental constraint, or it messes with your psyche a little bit to just look at the dollar amount all the time. So nothing wrong with that. You got to do what you got to do to get through the day and make your money. Make your money on your and you got to swag. You got to stop when you're at your goal. Let's see, what's NQ doing? I don't know if I like giving. It's just kind of sideways consolidation, really. Nasty choppiness up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. I don't like alerting another alert right now. It's just too weird of a wavy, choppy pattern from 640 up to 700 ish. So I'm gonna stay away from it. It's gonna be a rough week this week with the rollover happening, all the rollovers happening actually, and FOMC this week. So just be careful. It's gonna be a rough week. Lot of crazy movements out of nowhere can happen. So be careful. Have a size down, I would say. Have a wider spread, a wider stop loss, and size down, and just, see money, take money kind of thing. Don't get greedy. That's probably the best thing this week, because it's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be crazy, man. So is box seats on the website, or how do we get that? If you want more info, or you want to sign up for the special that I'm talking about, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com, and you could get the $250 for 2 weeks special, or just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com and let them know you want access to the special Kyle was talking about, and she'll hook you up. Yeah, I don't even really know what's on her website. I don't know if she's updated that thing in a long time, but there you can see day waves locked in and guaranteed some profit, and it just took it. So it was like $75 worth of profit right there for day waves. Not a lot, but every $75 adds up. All right, this is way too big. Gotta move you down a little bit. Taking up too much room. There we go. All right, there we go. Santa is not in a trade. Silver's still in that trade. Gold range or box seats is in a trade. Green 200 on gold box seats. So that's $750 right now on gold and silver on box seats alone. And then if you ran NQ later on one mini, you'd be up $1,000, and early you'd be up another $460. So that's like $2,000 you could be up today if you did not run NQ new, which I don't know if that's a no Monday or not, but yeah, every $75 is $75. How long is the special running for? I think if you sign up through me, it's just good until whenever. I don't know when she's gonna change it or take it away from me being able to advertise it at that price. But yeah, if you want to sign up through me, just email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com, and then I'll send you the link and you can sign up that way. So what are the strategies that come with box seats again? Yeah, so there is, let me get the spreadsheet up so I could tell you all of them. All right, box seats has NQ high five, I guess she put it back in. Silver night, platinum night, NQ early, NQ new, ES new, NQ later, gold, silver day. So those are all the ones that she has on the spreadsheet right now. So that's about like 10 different strategies. So yeah. Surprised Santa didn't get into this trade here on this long position. Sometimes it acts funky during rollover, so that's what I mean. You got to be careful, but I'm going to... What's everybody having for lunch? Anything good? I'm getting hungry. I like to wait until after I'm done streaming to eat lunch, because I'm on Central Time, not Eastern Time, but... Adrian, thank you for the share. Pretty T, they call me I don't know what do they call you? What? I don't know. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the follows. I appreciate each and every one of you. If first time tuning in, this is the Swag Show. What do you know? My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm. But I do also sometimes give you a little nibble of a hint of a premium manual alert that I give to the group. So if you're interested in manually trading, sometimes I can give you a little goodies, little nibbles and tidbits. Like right now, it's probably a good time to think about taking along here if we pull back to like 728. Just saying. I think I'm going to alert that for the group here. So if you want to follow along, now's your chance. Yeah. If NQ pulls back to, what'd I say? 19,728. 19,728. I will go long. There we go. Now we're going to sit here and wait and see if it pulls back to it. So this is your free trade of the day. Do not blame me. Trading is risky. This is not trading advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is just what I'm doing and showing you guys what could happen in the group if you join the premium alerts that you can get access to for $100 for the first week and then $500 a month after that. So let's see if it'll get a pullback here. We'll see if it gets a pullback here. You never know. Sometimes it might not pull back, and that's okay. It might just shoot to the moon like it's doing right now. What's the trade on NQ? On the NASDAQ, on the futures market? I alerted in the group, the premium alerts, that I would take along if it pulled back to 19,728. Right now, though, it's just kind of shooting up here and going to the moon. So we might have missed the move, but... I'm on June contract. No, I'm alerting on the March contract still. Sorry, Bulk. I forgot to mention that. This is on... I'm alerting on the March contract. Even though I'm showing you over here on Santa, he's on June. I don't know why he's not taking a trade, but anyway. Sometimes you be like that. I only want to be with you. Sometimes I wonder why I'm sitting here and you're all alive. There's nothing I can do. I only want to be with you. All right, this is going up. This is going up. It is not coming back down right meow. I don't know if we missed it, guys. We might have missed the We might have missed the takeoff here. We probably should have got in it once it broke 19,728 and just went long. That's what it looks like it's wanting to do, is just push on up here. So if you're jumping in along, the only thing you really got to watch out for is 772 and then around the 19,800 level. There might be some resistance at 81, but this is not trading advice. This is just for fun. This is entertainment purposes only, to hear me horribly sing. So make sure you don't take it too serious. Silver's still in the trade. Gold's still in the trade. ES new is in a trade. And Big Bang ES is in a trade. That's it. I don't know if this is going to want to pull back this far and get us in this trade or not. It might be a while. It might be a while. It is 1:30, so we'll see. What's the bigger time frame looking like here? Kind of moved up, made like a head and shoulders pattern, sort of. Yeah, it was like a pretty weird head and shoulders flatline pattern there at the high of around 812. The other shoulder pattern right at 751. Then it dropped. Now it's moved up, kind of forming a W. That's why I was saying it could have, if it broke above the 728, it'd go up, and it did. Now it's having trouble getting through these 60s and 70s. So be careful. Just be careful. You know what I mean? Happy St. Patrick's Day. Anybody eating any corned beef and cabbage today? It sounds really good. I really do want some. Yeah, yep, I still have it there. Limit mind. Yep, the limit's still sitting there. It's still valid. Everything still checks out that it will be a valid trade if it pulls back to it. So we'll see what happens on the March contract. On the March contract. Santa's over here on the June contract, so it's a little bit different than what I'm giving out in premium on the alerts, but yeah. This is NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. Kamunt. Santa is having trouble today. Santa does some days take a lot of trades, and sometimes he loses. Other days he wins. He's really a finicky beast. Some days he's on the naughty list. Some days he's on the nice list. Today he's on the naughty list. He's giving out coal instead of presents, so be careful. We'll see if NQ can get to where we need it to get to take this trade. I really like that level. I think it can get back down to it. Only time will tell. We'll see. That would be a great pullback. All right, 130 candle opens on a 15-minute chart. It is dipping down a little bit here, so we'll see if it can pull on back down to where we want it to get into this long. I have a premium alert given at 19,728 on the March contract. So we'll see what happens here. If it goes too far, then we're gonna cancel it, but we'll see what happens. A 10-point stop on that. I keep my stops super tight, 5 to 12 points. It's 15 points, I believe, Victoria, on the premium alerts. Or are you talking about on Santa? On Santa, yeah, it's a 10-point. Yep. On Santa, it's 10 points. On the premium alerts, I usually do 15 points of stop loss on the premium alerts, but everybody's different, you know. And that's good that you keep your stops super tight. And the other super important thing is not to move them or add into a bad trade. You just got to, you know, stick with it. What is Santa? Another strategy? Yeah, that's what you're watching right now on the screen. You can see there's Santa in his sleigh, the background. Yeah, it's on the runner algorithm, and the strategy is just called Santa. So, no pair. This is not a pair. This is the Nasdaq NQ on a futures market. I don't know what a pear is. A pear is a fruit, right? I don't know what you mean by a pear. You and me both, Victoria. I've only been doing it for a little over 2 years now, but yeah, it'll humble you real quick. Oh, is that what pairs are in Forex? Yeah, I don't know anything about that. That's probably why. Is it a 3-minute chart? No. It's not a 3-minute chart. This might be too far gone. We're already almost 50 points above it, so I'm going to cancel this alert for right now. It's already kind of step laddered past it. I mean, at some point, it might pull back to this. I'll just leave it there for now. It might be valid a little bit later in the day. Who knows? I just see a big old W on the 15-minute chart. That's why I'm saying this might just keep going up here. So I'm going to cancel it on my end. It's too far gone. Yeah, we're just going to cancel that. That's too far that's too far gone. It shot up. We should have got in right there at when it broke the W pattern on the 15-minute chart at 19,720 or 730. We could have got into a long there, but that's all right. Some days you miss the trade, and that's okay. You can't have FOMO about it. You just got to move on to the next opportunity that presents itself and the next trade that happens. Roland, what's up, man? Long time no see. I hope you're doing good, my brother. We could have got in there at the W break of structure at 19,730 and taken the long, but it's all right. No FOMO. How much is the bot? So it's $250 for the first 2 weeks for box seats, and then it's $1,000 a month every month after that. Or if you want the premium algorithms, it's $1,500 a month. We also offer premium alerts for manual traders. It's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. And we're up over 2,000 points on the year, so it's well worth it. And that's 2,000 points just on the alerts. So, did you ever get your stuff figured out, Roland? I hope you're doing all right, my man. hope you're doing well. I'll be all right here in a couple of months. Hopefully, once all this stuff settles down in my life and I can reload my cash account and get started back up. But you're working on it. Yeah, me too, man. Still trying to deal with all that stuff I was dealing with before. Just now it's moved into a different phase. So once that's done and I'm free and clear and I can reload my cash account, then I'll be all right. Oh, for the box seats, are any of those strategies from the premium bots? Which ones? What do you mean, Victoria? The ones I mentioned earlier are all the strategies from box seats. So the premium algorithms names are, I'll tell you, let me just pull up the spreadsheet so I don't tell you anything wrong. All right. So I guess there's box seats, which is part of the standard, and Big Daddy, which is part of the standard. Then premium would be PBV, NLB, Gridlock, Line, Big Bang, Runner, and Waves. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different algorithms and probably 50 different strategies. So I think I got a steak left over for lunch I can warm up. I might have that. It's one of those big chuck rolls that you buy from Sam's, and then you cut your own steaks out of it. My brother-in-law cut it for me, so. Hey, Jake, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Oh, YouTube's gonna ask me if we're still listening. Watch. Yes, we're still listening. Hold on a minute. Let me get it off this commercial. Come on. Well, it's not going to do it. Okay, there we go. Working hard to build some money to do a cash account. Yeah, me too. Got to get through this bankruptcy stuff first. I was just wondering if I do the box seats, do any of them have trailing stops? A few of them move the stop loss into profit, but I'm pretty sure they all have set take profits. So, yeah, I hope that answered the question in a roundabout way. Some of them will lock in guaranteed profits, if that makes any sense. Others, it's either a take profit or a stop loss, and they only they don't like run up and keep capturing more and more profit. So yeah, I think Big Daddy is the only maybe standard algorithm that does do what you're talking about, which is continue to run up, kind of like no limit, where it just, I don't know how that one works. I haven't seen it in action yet. For some reason mine hasn't taken any trades. I don't know if I didn't set it up right or what, but we're just going to close that. And we're going to close that because it ain't taking trades for some reason. Yeah, I tried to take a couple of trades today and I forgot my Replicanto updated to June. But I manually switched my chart back to the March chart. So when I was taking the trade, it wasn't taking it, and I'm like, what the heck's going on? And then I finally looked at Replicanto, and I had it on June, and I'm like, well, no wonder. So I lost out on 2 trades that would have been more profit, but that's all right. I'm happy. I made like $442 on my Apex PA and 700 and something on my Top Step eval. So not a bad day at the office. Not a bad day at the office. We're on day 2 of this PA from Apex, and we're up 600 and some bucks already in 2 days of trading. So, what bot did you run? NQ early. I ran that. Did you just say Top Step? Yeah, I do have one Top Step eval, and I have a Apex PA. But I don't even know if my eval's an eval because they reset it for me like for free. So I don't know if I pass it, even if it's like eligible to become a funded account. So it's Top Step's weird like that sometimes. I don't know. I'm confused. You love Top Step? I think I've only passed 3 of their combines, and I think I blew all the funded accounts I had with them. But how many contracts on NQ early? Let me look. What did I have? I had 4 micros. I made $441 on my Apex account today. Yeah, I had 4 micros on NQ early today, and it was 2 for 2. So should be I've had some free resets when the issues with the platform. Yeah, I mean I'll find out I guess once I pass the combine, or once I make the $3,000. I can log in, I guess, and look. I just haven't logged in forever to even see what the heck's going on with it, because I'm more worried about my Apex right now. But it's probably a good idea to log into the well, it says 50K trading combine trading. So let's see what it says. Reach and maintain the $3,000 profit target. So right now we're only at 1,100 of that. Do not let your account go below 48,000 something. I don't know what the heck's going on. It says I'm on my 5th trading day. Oh, I think what happened is on this one, I reset it, and then the first day I had it, I lost like 1,100 on it. So I thought I was busted, but it wasn't busted. I brought it back to life. Because then I made, that was on March 12th. Then on the 13th, I made 702. Then on the 14th, I made 885. And then today I made like another 700. So I brought it back to life. So yeah, that's a live account. We're good. We're up. We might pass that one and be okay. That's crazy. I have to learn NinjaTrader before I can do this. Yeah, it's not hard. NinjaTrader is the first platform I've actually traded on, and it's pretty easy to get used to. So don't be intimidated by it. A lot of good YouTube videos. Silver box seats is green 800 now. Gold box seats is green 330. And ES new box seats is green 525. So that's $1,600 on one mini contract from each of those if you had it running. And I'm just saying, If you ran those three, you'd be up $1,600 on one mini contract right now. Plus NQ later is another $1,000 you could have been up if you ran that on one mini contract. So that's $2,600 in one day. You could have been up if you ran the box seats algorithm alone on one mini contract. Oh yeah, and then NQ early, I forgot. If you ran that on one mini contract, you'd be up another $460. So that's well over like $2,500 for the day. So just email me boldbotinfo@gmail.com or BoldBotLLC@gmail.com and let them know you're interested in the $250 for 2-week trial period. But yeah, I think I'm going to get off here and go eat some lunch pretty soon. I'm going to cook up my steak that's left over, and I don't know what else I'm going to eat, but I'm going to take a little break before I get back into my other fun stuff I do throughout the day that's not work related or trading related. So yeah, Robert, what's happening, man? That's from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strategies in one algorithm. 5 strategies in one algorithm, and you would be up that much for the day if you didn't run NQ New. I don't know if NQ New's a no Monday or not anyway, but let me look. Let me look anyway while I'm here. Yeah, it's a no Monday. So yeah, you weren't even supposed to run that anyway. So you wouldn't have taken that loss because NQ New is a no on Monday. So yeah, you should be up a bunch of money right now. A bunch of money. Anyway, you're welcome, Victoria. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern. The Swag Show is live in effect. So until then, I'll see you guys mañana. All right? I'm going to go eat some lunch. I hope you guys have a great day, a blessed day. Happy St. Patrick's Day.